if you want to set up the second space on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, all you have to do is you need to go to settings, scroll down in settings in order to open additional settings, and then in here you should be able to find second space. So now, of course, we need to tap on turn on, and we are creating the second space, and just wait for the next thing to pop up. There we go, it is created. So we're gonna tap on continue. Then we can decide how we want to switch between spaces. So you can either use a separate password for the second space, so you can open it from the lock screen, or you can just use a shortcut. So it can be like an icon in the app on the home screen, for example. So in my case, I'm gonna use a password. I'm gonna go ahead and press set now, so we can set up the password. And in this case, we need to enter the password of the first space, so the screen lock password. We're gonna go ahead and continue. Now over here we need to set the password for the second space. So let's say I'm gonna set up once over here. There we go. And after that we should be able to also use the fingerprint in order to switch faster between spaces. So for example, you can use your other hand or some other fingers to scan the finger and use the other finger to switch between the spaces. In my case, I don't want to do that right now, so I'm just gonna skip that. And there we go, we have our second space created pretty much immediately. And yeah, if you want to switch back, then of course we can use the switch button, and you can of course use the password as well, because we have created the password. So in this case, if I use the second space password, as you can see, I can open the second space, but if I open the first space password, I'm just go back to the first space. So we can easily switch between these spaces. There we go. So that's pretty much it. And of course, the button works as well, but you will have to verify yourself anyway. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.